In this video, you will learn how to buy BIP with Ether from bipex.net. And at the end, we will transfer BIP to our wallet. First, go to bipex.net, create a new account or simply log in. This is the main window for bipex.net. Let's switch to Ether to BIP pair. Here you will find your balance. And of course, let's enable the dark mode. First, we must deposit Ether to our bipex.net account. Click to copy your Ether address. Let's go back to our Trust wallet and transfer the Ether. I'll be transferring the full amount. Click Send and wait for confirmation. Let's go back to our Bipex account. Here it is, we have received the Ether. It's time to buy some BIP. I'm switching to the desktop mode because I was unable to confirm the transaction. Let's switch to the Ether pair. To buy BIP, simply click the offer you want. Then go to the Buy BIP section in the top. Enter the amount you wish to buy. Click Buy and then confirm your order. In my Orders tab, you can see your order. Let's switch back to the mobile version. Here you can see that we have successfully bought 850 BIP. Now we will send the BIP to our wallet. Copy your address. Go back to the bipex.net, paste your address and enter the amount you want to withdraw. You'll receive a confirmation code in the email. Enter it and click Go. After a couple of seconds, you can scroll down and here you'll find your withdrawals history. Let's go back to our BIP wallet and here we have our transaction. So we have successfully bought BIP with Ether and transferred all of it to our BIP wallet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below.